Thinking of going to university, but not sure what you want to study? The Year 11 Gateway program will set you up for success in your high school studies so you can plan your academic future with confidence. The program is free and available to Year 11 students that attend one of our Gateway schools, whose home address meets safer criteria, or who are Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander. During our online program, you'll participate in subject-specific workshops, access exclusive academic resources to get a head start in preparing for your HSC, and receive personalised advice from current university students about degree options. We'll also provide you with the tools to plan your Year 12 Gateway admission pathway application for an early offer to UNSW. Then join us on campus during the school holidays to explore UNSW Sydney. Get to know the faculties and experience what it's like to be a university student. And when you join the Gateway program, you'll become part of a community of other highly motivated Year 11 students. Make your journey to UNSW an easy one and register for the Year 11 Gateway program through our website today.